This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for June 29th, 2023. It's currently April 23rd, 2023, 10:26 p.m. Eastern Time. And the shuffle file we're about to play was created on February 26, 2023 at 11:14 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. So the overall theme of behavior for the day, we have the halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through key support level on a one-day scale. Behavior around the highest high, we have a key technical price level standing out on a multi-day chart. This might be the highest high again. It's possible. And then behavior around the low. So we have a big move out of the low, reaching for distant resistance. I'm advised to make a significant cash out trade here. And volume is definitively bearish today. We have a peak in the pre-market. There's a decline. First off, we probably open lower in the pre-market, and then there's a decline that ends in the pre-market with a fast sudden move higher, taking us to a peak or crest. And then we decline. There's a reversal around the open that stands out, and we have a notable decline to a low after meeting a resistance level that we've met many times before. We decline to a low there. Possibly a day's low there in the first half hour of the first hour and a half. We do some sideways rotation along key support between roughly 10 and 11, and there's a sharp dip in that period of sideways rotation that stands out, but we have another crest there between 10 and 11 too. Sharp dip takes us into a decline between roughly 11 and 12. The decline between 11 and 12 offers opportunity to open up a long position. Advised to be cautious, some sort of tricky chart behavior midday. Excuse me. And then we have a rally after meeting key support midday. We have a rally along the diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal resistance to meet a second resistance before pulling back to somewhere between those two price levels. And there's a halting there. So that rally takes us to another peak or crest and a trade opportunity where I would likely exit the long position around 2 o'clock. We have the halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through key support there somewhere around 2 o'clock, maybe closer to 3, but out of that decline, there's a big move to the upside, pushing the upper end of a range higher, taking us to most likely a high at the end of the day or just a prominent crest or peak there at the end of the day. I think it's probably a low at the end of the day, but there's a peak or crest that stands out of that low, a rally there out of that low, offering an opportunity to open up a short position. And then it looks like maybe right around the close, there's a decline. You could even close that short position there or hold the short position to close the following day because we open lower. That's the S&P 500 for June 29th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And most importantly, as always, my friends, be angel investors. Follow that rule of karma, the whole purpose of the channel. 5% of the profits forward to one of these charities. Make sure you spend 5%, pay 5% of the profits forward, ensuring the flow of abundance continues onward through the universe. And make sure you send 5% of the profits back to the channel. That keeps the channel running, putting out all the free content that we put out. Much appreciated to all you angel investors out there. Make sure to spend that money out of love, and the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold from all directions, my friends. Later.